I ended up in 2017 with 5 employees. 5 years later, now I have 58. So that's 53 new jobs that we were able to provide in Missouri because of the legislation.
Customers have benefited, including lower operating cost, enhanced grid resiliency, and quicker outage response times. However, the job's not done, and that's why we support House Bill 1734. Evergy supports the economic development rates in the bill. Evergy has successfully used rates like these to attract $158 million in new investment in Missouri. This accounts for some 3,000 new jobs in logistics, manufacturing, data centers, healthcare, and food processing.
In 2018, when the predecessor to this bill, Senate Bill 564, was passed, there were concerns that electric rates would substantially increase. We now have 3 years of experience having implemented the Smart Energy Plan enabled by this legislation, can now discuss what has actually happened. Simply put, Ameren Missouri's customers are realizing significant benefits from the passage of Senate Bill 564. Our Smart Energy Plan, enabled by this landmark energy policy legislation, has begun modernizing our aging grid while improving reliability and resiliency for the customers that we serve.
We have longstanding policy to support continuously upgrading and modernizing our utility infrastructure. We think that it makes the grid both more reliable and resilient, which are both very important qualities for attracting and retaining businesses in the state.